This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on dark mode on your Mac. Please make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. My computer is currently set to light mode, but let's suppose I want to set it to dark mode. This is how you do that. You go to System Preferences by either clicking the apple in the upper left-hand corner and selecting System Preferences, or accessing it through the dock. Once you click on System Preferences, click on General, and when you click on General, go up to the top of the screen where it says Appearance, and you get to choose between Light Mode, Dark Mode, or Auto, which will automatically change your screen depending on the time of the day. I'm going to go ahead and select dark mode because that's what I want. And once you do that, the computer is now in dark mode. So the apps that support dark mode will display in dark mode. So I'm going to open up Google Chrome, which is now in dark mode. This is what Microsoft Word looks like in dark mode. And then this is what the Apple Mail looks like in dark mode. So this video shows you how to turn on dark mode on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more helpful tips in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.